Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD. Let's analyze the features of this model. Let's take a look at it. Here is mainly a square outline. And then a 57, which is actually a cone with a square base. It's a cone with a square base. Then we cut out this area. Okay, let's go directly to the software and see how to do it. First, we create a body. Then create a sketch. Then we select the XY plane. Select it. We create a rectangle on the XY plane. We use a center point method to create this rectangle. Then we constrain. Two sides are equal. Then we label its size. Here is 48. Close the sketch. Then we create another sketch. Create and still select the XY plane. Here we create a point and complete it directly on the origin. Then we modify the parameter attributes of this point. We come here in the position, the z-axis direction. We know this is a 57. So we enter 57 here. Look, the point has moved here. The distance from here to here is 57. Okay, that's it. Then we select these two sketches of the model tree. Hold down the Ctrl key to select them. Then we select the ruled surface command. Let's take a look. In this way, this square cone, we have created it. After creating this cone, our next step is to create this line. Then create a point on the edge, which corresponds to this line here, and then a point on the edge. We create them step by step. We create a sketch. Still select the XY plane. Then we refer to these two edges. And we create a straight line. But we can't see the line. We need to show its back side. So we click this so that we can observe its line. Then we mark a dimension of it. Here is a 36 size. Here is also 36. Okay, this curve is done. Then we will show the coordinates. To display it, we select this. Select it and press the spacebar on the keyboard so that we can see its coordinate system. And datum plane, we select the XY plane. Then we create a datum plane. It's a size of 36 up. Z-axis, you see here, 36. Let's take a look. This datum plane has been created. Done. Now we can hide the coordinate system. To observe better, then we use this datum plane and the intersection of this edge line to create it. So we create a point here. Base point. We first select this datum plane. Not selected. Then we select this edge. Then we select here. You see, and this point is created. Okay. Then we hide this datum plane. Then we still create a datum plane. Datum plane, we select this point. And then select this line. Look, this datum plane is also created. We confirm. Then we select this datum plane and create a sketch on it. We directly create a circle. This circle should be large enough to exceed the product. Then we use the extrude cut material. We make it penetrate all. Okay, and then hide this. And hide this datum plane. Like this. The model is completely created. It's in this form. It's like this. It's still very simple. Okay, thank you for watching.